Question number 8. In question number 8, we have a hollow aluminum sphere that has an internal radius of 20 centimeter and an external radius of 30 centimeter. Given that the density of aluminum is 2.7 grams per centimeter cube, find the mass of the sphere in kilograms. Basically, we have a sphere and the sphere is hollow, means there is nothing at the center of the sphere. The center of the sphere is empty, and we have two radius. The first one is the external radius, the outer radius, that is equals to 30 centimeter, and the inner radius or the internal radius, that is equals to 20 centimeter. And we have to find the mass of the sphere. The mass of the sphere means the mass of the aluminum. Density of aluminum is given to us. Since density is given to us and we have to find the mass, so we will be going with the popular formula, that is density is equals to mass per unit volume. We have the density, we have to find the value of mass. So the other thing is volume. So first we will start off with calculating the volume. Since it is a sphere, we know that the volume of a sphere is given by the formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube. We only need radius, but the problem is that we have two radius. The first one is 20 centimeter and the second one is 30 centimeter. Which radius will we use to find the volume of the aluminum? This question can be answered by drawing a proper figure, as I have drawn it. I have drawn two figures. This one is basically the diameter. This is the aluminum sphere, and it is a hollow. Since hollow, so it has nothing at the center. This is the inner circle. The diameter of the inner circle is 40 centimeter. Since the radius is given, so I have converted it into diameter. The radius is 20, so the diameter will be 40. And since the radius of the outer circle or the external is 30 centimeters, so the diameter will be 60. I have drawn this figure over here again. This is the smaller circle which has a radius of 20 centimeter, and this is the bigger circle that has a radius of 30 centimeter. This is the region where aluminum is present. This is the empty space, and this is the region where aluminum is present. Since we have to find the mass of sphere or the mass of aluminum, so we have to find the volume of aluminum. We are not interested in finding out the volume of the whole sphere because it is hollow from inside. We just need to find the volume of this aluminum, because this is the part which has mass. This is hollow, this has nothing, so the mass will only be the mass of aluminum. The mass of sphere will only be the mass of aluminum, so we have to find the volume of aluminum only. Aluminum is this one, is the thickness. So which radius will give us the volume of aluminum, 30 centimeter or 20 centimeter? The answer is that we have to use both the radius to find the volume of aluminum. First we will find the volume of this circle, bigger circle, and then we will find the volume of this smaller circle. And in order to find the volume of this region, we will subtract the volume of the bigger circle and the volume of the inner small circle to get the volume of this shaded region. So first we will use 30 centimeter as our radius. The formula for the volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. The radius will be 30 because we are finding the volume of the bigger circle, and that is equals to 11312 centimeter cube. The next is the small circle which has the radius of 20 centimeter. So the formula will be the same, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This time r will be 20 and the answer will be 33514.67 centimeter cube. So now we have the volume of the bigger circle and the volume of the smaller. So now we will subtract both to get the volume of the shaded. On subtracting these two answers, the volume will be 79597.33. So this is the volume of the aluminum. This is the volume of aluminum. This is the volume of this shaded part. Since we have to find the mass of this shaded part, so we only have to find the volume of this shaded part. So after finding the volume of this shaded part, we will now just use the formula density is equals to mass upon volume. We have the density, we have the volume now. We will multiply both of these to get the mass. On multiplying the volume, that is 79597.33, with the density, that is 2.7, we will get an answer of 214,912.791, which is basically in grams. Since the question is asking us to find the mass of sphere in kilogram, so we will divide this answer by 1000 and then round it off to get the final answer, which is equals to 215 kilograms. So that was a question on hollow sphere. Hollow sphere is a sphere which is empty from inside. So in order to find the volume of the aluminum, we have to find both the volumes of the outer circle and the inner circle, then subtract them to get the volume of this shaded part. And then by using this volume and density, we find out the mass of this aluminum.